so excited. We have here the Razer. Let's open it first, okay? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. The Razer Seiren Mini. Oh my god. So excited. Oh my god. This is the functions of the mic. It has super cordial and shock resistant. I don't know. Razer. Oh my god. It cost me like 18. It cost me like $18, I guess. Certified. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, let's open it gently. Okay. Okay, let's put down the camera. Okay. Gently. Okay. Oh my bloody hell. Look at this paper. Co-founder, CEO and creator director. Thank you, CEO. This is the manual. Oh my god. Look at this cable. Cute. And this is the Razer USB. This is the stand. It's made of plastic. This is the stand. I think it's made of metal. Ah, it's metal. Yeah. Put this stand here. Yeah. You can move it like this. Okay, what we have? The king. The mic itself. Oh my god. It's plastic here and here. Metal. Oh my god, look at the Razer. Oh my god. Wait. Let's and we put it here. That's it. That's all we have in the box. Okay. This is the mic. Wait, let's just plug out the keyboard. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at it. It looks better in real life. Oh my god. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If you want me to test it, just say it, don't be shy. So see you in the next video. So this is just a small sample of the sound coming out of the mic, where you can see the difference between the sound from the phone that is in the video and the sound of the mic. And with some tweaks and improvements and some edits in Adobe Audition or something like that, I can make this sound better. So yeah, that's all. Catch you in the next one. Peace.